Hey everyone, if you have recently started to use the Rednote app and wondering on how to translate the language, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate in the Rednote app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Rednote app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto three lines at the top left corner just right here. Then tap onto settings option at the bottom just right here. Then here you can find the option of general settings. Now open it. Then tap onto languages option at the display. Now tap on it. Now here you can see you can translate the language in the given languages. And just choose one, just like this. And now you can see the language has been translated. And if you want to translate a specific text, you can simply copy it and paste it in the Google to translate it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.